everybody, this is Krista Lowry from Keller Williams Realty and Krista Lowry Real Estate. I'm here at my new listing, 1222 Sutter in Santa Maria. This house is listed at $428,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Look at all this natural light. I absolutely love this room. So here's the dining room. Tile floors, breakfast bar, tile countertops, lots of cabinetry. Two-car garage. We have an indoor laundry room. Let's go out to the backyard. Gas fireplace. Nice fenced backyard. Very private. Now this is single level living. We have a half bath here off the living room. And the master is right here on the first level. Sliders that go out to the back patio. And it's a master suite. Dual sinks, cabinetry. And this is a soaking tub and shower combo. Walk-in closet. It's pretty big. So this is all on the first level. You have extra storage underneath the stairs. Let's go upstairs. So it has carpet throughout except in the dining room and the kitchen, and that's tile. So up here we have 3 more bedrooms. This is a really nice sized bedroom with an extra large closet. Bedroom number 2. I love this room, it's nice and bright. A little bit smaller than the last one. Here's the guest bath upstairs. Tile countertops, bath shower combo, tile floors. And bedroom number 4 has a large walk-in closet. So let us know if you'd like to see it. We have a 3D tour online and also all the pictures you could ever want. Give us a call at 805-710-1687. Thanks for joining us.